Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Lost Soul Aside game crashing at startup, crashing, not launching, stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, freezing, stuttering or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. The first method is to check system requirements for the game. So for that, you need to go to Steam. In the search option, search for the game and then you can go below and here you can see the system requirements to play the game on your system. So after this, try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, next is to modify launch options. So what that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game where you have downloaded. Here I have not downloaded the game, but I will show the steps that you can easily follow and fix the issue. So for that, select your game, right click on it, select properties, then go to the general, and in the launch option you have to type -dx11 and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, then type -dx12 and after that try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, move to the next solution. It's update graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapters. Here select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So it's saying the best drivers for your device are already installed. In your case, if any update is required, simply update it and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. Nvidia and AMD graphics card users can go through the link that I provided in the description. Just open the link and update your graphics card from there and after that try to launch the game and check if this helps you. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to search options, search for Windows Defender Firewall. After that click on allow an app or feature. Now click on change settings. After that you need to search for the game if it's listed over here. If not, don't worry, simply click on allow another app, then click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game and add it to the list over here. After that select the game, then make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. So after this, try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is updated to the latest version. For that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates and this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you should check if there is any update available. For that you simply have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. And after updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check if it has resolved the problem. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. And after that, try to play the game. Hopefully this will resolve the issue. If not, the next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility and here you need to select run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. After this, try to launch the game and check if it fixes the issue. If not, select run this program in compatibility mode for, and after that select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, you simply have to select disable full screen optimizations, then hit on apply and OK. And once done, now try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem you are coming across. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, then you can come across crashing or other issues while playing the game. You should check the texture quality, resolution, etc. are properly set up or not, because all these things directly impacts the game and make you suffer while playing. So you should make sure that all these settings are properly set up, and if possible lower the graphic settings to avoid unwanted issues while playing the game. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files, and here you have to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now launch the game and then try to play it and see if this has resolved the issue or not. If not, next is to install the latest patch or update your game. So if you should check if there is any update available. Now for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, and here you can see if there is any update available. Simply click on update option and wait for some time until the game is updated. After that, try to launch the game and check if it has helped you. If not, the next method is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, if you are playing the game on Steam, then go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general, here you can see the enable the Steam overlay while in game option. It will be enabled by default. You simply need to click over it and it will be disabled. So after disabling the Steam overlay, now check if the problem is resolved. The same thing for GeForce Experience. Simply open GeForce Experience, click on the gear icon beside username, then tap on general, and from here you need to switch off in-game overlay option. After doing these steps, now try to launch the game and check if it has successfully worked to fix the issue. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now go to the processes tab. Here you need to search for those apps which is running in the background without any use. So for that, you simply have to search, and after you search them, simply select it, right click on it, click on end task. So this will close the game or app that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check if it has helped you. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, what you need to do is simply copy the link that I have provided in the description. Just go through it, copy and paste it in your browser. After the link is open, now go below, and from here you can easily download and install the Visual C++ files for your PC, and after that try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, and here in the above section you need to click on Steam option, then click on settings, then click on downloads and go below, and here you need to click on clear cache beside clear download cache option. So after clearing the download cache on Steam, now try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to search option over here, search for view advanced system settings. Under advanced, you need to click on settings under performance. Now click on advanced, then click on change, and if it is ticked, simply disable it. Now select the folder where, select the drive where your game has been installed, and after that click on custom size, and here you need to type 24576 in the initial side, and the maximum size will be 49152. So 49152, and after that click on set and then hit on OK. So after this, try to launch the game and see if it has resolved the issue. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any kind of antivirus program installed in your system, then you are suggested to disable it, because this can block the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program, or simply you need to disable the antivirus program, and after that try to launch the game and check if it has resolved the problem. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to search if the game is listed or not. If not, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, and after that search for the game and add it to the list over here. After adding it, simply you need to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. So after selecting high performance, launch your game and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall option, and again click on uninstall. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. Once your system restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall the game that you're facing problem. After your game is reinstalled, now try to launch and check if it has resolved the issue and you can play the game without any further problem. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely fix the error you are coming across while playing Lost Soul Aside game on your PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.